Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's learn Malay together step by step. Today we learn more suku kata with the sound. Read slowly with me. Ong, bong, dong, dong, gong, hong, dong, gong, long, mong, nong, bong, rong, song, dong, yong. Great job. Now let's read some words. Try this word. We say Jongkak. Jongkak. Jongkak is a game, a Malay game. They play Jongkak. We say mereka bermain Jongkak. This word is tolong. Tolong. It means help. She helps grandma. Dia tolong nenek. Can you read this word? We say kosong. Kosong. It means empty. Now, this basket is full, but this basket is empty. Can you say it in Malay? We say bakul ini kosong. Try this word. We say songkok. Songkok. Songkok is a hat. Muslim boys or men wear songkok. He wears a songkok. In Malay we say dia pakai songkok. This word is tongkat. Tongkat. Tongkat is a stick, a walking stick. Grandpa uses a walking stick. In Malay, we say Datuk guna tongkat. This is a long word. We say jong kang jongket. Jong kang jongket is a seesaw. They play on the seesaw. Mereka bermain jongkang jongket. Good job. You did great. Remember to practice every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Malay lessons. Bye-bye. See you next time.